Hey, I'm Martin and I help manufacturers make great quality products. So in the previous video, I discussed some of the challenges that I think manufacturers face and why an integrated digital transformation is often the best path forward. So today, I'm really excited to introduce to you a 4-step process for preparing your operations for paperless manufacturing. This process, which goes by standardize, quality control, analyze, and improve. It's designed to transform the way manufacturers operate, making them more efficient, consistent, and adaptable. So let's get straight into that process now. So the first step is to standardize. So let's start there. By aligning your manufacturing processes with lean principles, you can eliminate waste and variation. And this helps you to create a clear, repeatable workflow. It can be the foundation for digitization and for more streamlined operations. Standardization reduces inefficiencies and it establishes a consistent baseline for tracking a production process. It's all about creating a strong foundation that sets a stage for the rest of the process. So next up, at number 2, we have quality control. Because embedding quality control checkpoints throughout a manufacturing process ensures that every product meets your standards at each stage in the manufacturing process. And taking it a step further, when these processes and checkpoints are digitized, they allow for real-time error detection. And this can reduce defects, it can minimize rework, and it can boost reliability of your products, saving both time and costs while enhancing customer satisfaction. So the third step is to analyze. So by integrating real-time data analytics into your production processes, it gives you immediate insights into your performance metrics. And with these insights, production managers can make quicker, more informed decisions. Analytics also help identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies, enabling your team to address issues before they escalate. It's all about making the data work for you to drive better outcomes. So finally, we come to improve. The culture of continuous improvement focuses on incremental gain. By leveraging real-time feedback loops and performance data, employees can be encouraged to identify and act on opportunities for enhancement. And this proactive approach ensures that your digital transformation isn't just a one-time effort, but that it's an ongoing evolution towards greater efficiency and adaptability. So by following these 4 steps, standardize, quality control, analyze, and improve, manufacturers can create a streamlined, responsive, and resilient operation that's ready for paperless and data-driven manufacturing. So this framework doesn't just enhance productivity, it also supports long-term competitiveness through a scalable digital infrastructure. And in the next video, I'm going to take a closer look at step number 1, standardizing your production processes, and explore how lean can set the stage for an efficient, effective digital transformation. Stay tuned and I'll see you here in the next video.